Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look where I'm going to take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar from a technical perspective. Today's date is December 2nd, 2024. Let's get started. In trading last week, the high was reached on Monday. The low was reached on Tuesday. The low price that we saw on Tuesday took out the low prices for the month of November from earlier this month, reaching a new low for the month at 0.64334. The price then rotated back to the upside. We found willing sellers against a 100 bar moving average here, 100 hour moving average, I should say, right here and here. Then those two moving averages started to converge, and we saw up and down volatility above and below those moving averages. On Friday's price action, we did see a move to the upside that got the price above the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. Recall that early on Monday, the price moved above that 100 bar moving average for the first time since this day right here, but could not sustain the momentum, rotated back to the downside. So getting back above that level was more bullish, but it failed and rotated back to the downside, and then tried again and rotated back to the downside and trading here today. So each of the time the price over the last 3 times the price has moved above that 100 bar moving average, we've seen failures fairly quickly. So that says to me that going forward, we're going to need to get above that level and stay above that level to increase the bullish bias. Moreover, what we didn't do on those breaks last week was get above the 38.2% retracement of the move down from the November high to the November low. That 38.2 came in at 0.6530. Now, earlier in the month, we did move above that level right here, as a matter of fact, but could not sustain that momentum as we moved into this swing area up here and found willing sellers also near the 100 bar moving average. So in trading this week, if we move above this 100 bar moving average, we're going to need to also get above the 38.2% retracement and stay above that level to increase the bullish bias. We aren't near those levels now, however, as dollar buying has sent the Aussie versus US dollar to the downside and trading here today. However, we are finding support buyers against the 100-hour moving average right here, and in between the 100 and 200-hour moving average right here. The 100-hour comes in at 0.6492. The 200-hour moving comes in at 0.6501. So we're basically trying to stay below the 65 level in the Aussie versus US dollar. If we're able to do that, then the buys, I would expect a break to the downside here with this swing area down at 0.6471. Being the next key target to get to and through. If we get below that level, we'll start to look toward our low prices that we saw in the month of November, down here between 0.6441 and 0.6433. If we do hold this level right here, got to get and stay above the 100 bar moving average and 38.2% retracement to prove that the buyers mean business. So there's my technical look at the Aussie versus US dollar. Sellers are in charge. We will see if they can keep that charge going forward in trading here today. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.